Okay, we are going to do a quick, easy home craft so you can make your own palm branch for Palm Sunday since we don't have any palms at my house where I live. Albuquerque is not full of palm trees. So, as an alternate, you could either go outside and pick something that you can wave around, because I'm pretty sure that the people in Jerusalem that day found the branches that were most available. They have big palm trees there. I don't know if they cut them down for other things, but that's what we hear in the story that they waved. But here we are going to use some scratch paper. You can see it's paper that I'm recycling. Go out and find yourself a stick. That shouldn't be too hard. You need some kind of tape. I've got different tape. So this is all stuff you should be able to find at home. Then I have 2 colors of green markers or 2 green crayons. If you have just 1 color of green, that is totally fine too. And then finally a pencil. All right, so this is what we will do. First, you can do this all by yourself, or if it's hard to do it by yourself, then ask a parent to help you. But you will spread your hand out really wide, like you do when you're making hand turkeys at Thanksgiving time. And you will trace around all your fingers. And then you're going to move your hand up. And if you have little tiny hands, you might do it a bunch of times. My hands are pretty big, so I only need to do it twice to get to the top of the paper. And I'm overlapping a little bit because this whole thing is a palm branch. Don't worry if it's a little bit bumpy. You can trace your hand really lightly, or you can trace it darkly. It doesn't really matter. So there you see my 2 hands traced. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to outline my hands, fingers. And so that's one hand going on to the next hand. And you come down, and I'm going to skip the top of that finger, come on down here, get my other thumb, and that's kind of like a palm leaf. Super simple palm leaf. And then to kind of make it a little fancier, with a little more color variation, I'm going to use my other green and just kind of color it in. If you want to erase your lines, erase your lines. If you want to bling it up somehow, do that. And then just quick and easy, I've made a palm branch. The one thing I forgot, which would be nice to have, oops, and I do have some nearby, are scissors. And again, cut it out by yourself, or if you need some help, ask your mom or dad. And I'm going to just do it real simple. I'm going to make the shape and not worry about cutting all the white off. But I'm just going to cut around here and down here. And then all I'm going to do is flip it over, and I'm going to put my stick on here. I got a long one so that it can support the whole paper, so the paper doesn't flop around too much. And I think thicker tape, like masking tape or like packing tape, probably will hold it better. If you can use long strips of adhesive tape, like Scotch tape, that should be able to work too for the amount of time we're going to use this. And tape that down. And now, flip it over. We've got your little palm branch to wave. So you have now made a palm branch. So you can either use this one or the one I said, hey, go out and find something in your yard. So tomorrow morning, if you get up and you join us on the St. Chad's Facebook page at, I think, 10 a.m., then you can wave your palm branch as we begin the service. Thanks.